Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Elevator Podcast. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. We're so happy to have you with us today. In this episode, we're talking about a very important and useful topic, help.
Yes, today we'll learn how to ask for help, how to offer help, and how to respond politely when someone helps us.
Sounds great. Let's start with some vocabulary. Here are some common phrases we use when talking about help. Can you help me? Could you please? I need help with. Do you mind helping me? Let me help you. Would you like some help? Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
Let's give examples for each phrase so it's easier to understand. Let's talk about how to ask for help. This is very useful when you're in a new country or learning something new.
Yes. Imagine you're lost in a city. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station."
Great example. Or in class, you can say, "Could you help me with this math problem?"
Let's do a short role play.
Roleplay 1. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me please?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the train station. I think I'm lost.
No problem. The train station is not far. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. It's next to the big supermarket.
Thank you so much. How long will it take to walk there?
About 5 minutes.
Perfect. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Roleplay 2. Asking for help in a store.
Hi. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I can't find the sugar. Where is it?
Oh, the sugar is in aisle 3, next to the coffee.
Thank you. I walked past that aisle but didn't see it.
No worries. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Now, let's learn how to offer help. It's nice to offer help when someone looks confused or tired.
Some common phrases are, "Do you need help? Can I help you with that? Let me carry that for you. Would you like some help?"
Let's do another role play.
Roleplay 3. Helping a friend carry books.
Hi, Liza. That looks heavy. Do you need some help?
Oh, hi Andrew. Yes, please. These books are really heavy.
No problem. Let me take a few. Where are you going?
To the library. I need to return them before class.
All right, I'll walk with you. Wow. How many books do you have?
10. I borrowed them for my English project.
That's a lot of reading. Did you enjoy the books?
Yes, some of them were fun. One was about learning English with stories.
That sounds great. I like books with stories too.
Thanks again for helping me, Andrew.
You're welcome. Helping friends is always a good thing.
Andrew, let me ask you, have you ever struggled with asking for help?
Absolutely. Sometimes I feel like asking for help makes me look weak or incapable, but I know that's not true.
Yes, a lot of people feel that way. But asking for help shows strength, not weakness.
It shows self-awareness and trust, because when you ask someone for help, you're trusting them.
That's deep. And I think schools and workplaces need to encourage people to ask for help more often.
Let's share some personal stories. Liza, has anyone helped you in a way that changed your life?
Oh yes. When I was in university, I was going through a tough time financially. A classmate helped me find a part-time job, and that made a huge difference.
That's amazing. I remember once, I helped a lost child at a park. It wasn't a big deal for me, but I could see how relieved the parents were.
That's so heartwarming. Sometimes we don't realize the impact of small acts.
Let's talk about emotional help. How is it different from physical help?
Physical help is when you do something for someone, carry groceries, fix something, etc. Emotional help is more about support, listening, and empathy.
And sometimes emotional help is harder to give because you need to be really present.
Yes, listening without judging is one of the best gifts we can give someone.
Have you noticed how communities grow stronger when people help each other?
Oh, absolutely. Volunteering, charity events, neighborhood groups, they all create connection.
And it doesn't have to be big. Even just helping a neighbor carry a heavy bag can build community spirit.
We need more of that in the world. Imagine if everyone did one kind thing each day.
Before we wrap up, what are 3 simple ways someone can help others today?
Listen without interrupting, offer to help with a task, send a kind message to a friend.
I love that. And how about asking for help? What's one tip?
Be clear and honest. Say what you need and why. People can't read minds.
This has been such a thoughtful episode.
Yes, Thank you all for tuning in. Remember, help is a two-way street. Don't be afraid to offer it and don't be afraid to ask for it.
Until next time, stay kind, stay helpful, and keep talking.
Bye.
Bye.